Goods and service tax. What is this goods and service tax? Is this a tax reform or is this a business process reform? The answer is goods and service tax is a business process reform. Unfortunately, in India, no one is understanding the correct impact or the assessment of goods and service tax. Goods and service tax will be implemented in India from 1st July 2017. To gear up the trade and industry, India-GST.in, in technical collaboration with ExpertEase India Private Limited, is launching a series of videos which contains on goods and service tax and its implications on the business. The videos which you are going to see will cover the following topic: evaluation of taxation in India, taxation during the pre-medieval period, taxation during the British era, and the current taxation. We will also see what are all the pitfalls or the challenges the trade and industry is facing with the current taxation in India. Then we will have a few discussions on what is goods and service tax and what are all the benefits of goods and service tax. Once we are all done with this introduction, we will jump into the Central Goods and Service Tax Act by covering the key definitions. In any act, definitions plays a key role. We will understand the key definitions and then go to the concepts of GST, like time of supply, which basically deals when the tax invoice has to be issued and tax liability has to be accounted. Then we'll discuss on place of provision of supply. This will determine the taxes applicability for the transaction. Then we will cover valuation. On what value GST has to be paid and accounted. Then we will see the input tax credit mechanism in GST. The way the trade and industry is taking the input tax credit either in central excise or value-added tax is going for a sea change under goods and service tax. Similarly, the return filing process is also undergoing a change in goods and service tax. We will also discuss what is the new process under which the trade has to file the returns and what are all the various returns to be filed from time to time. And we will also see other key concepts like registration process, input service distributor, tax collected at source, tax deduction at source, and also the transitional provisions. Apart from this, which the trade and industry has to revamp their own business practices and processes. For that also we will cover a session on business process overview or re-engineering.